Your mind does not develop in a random way. It develops according to the environment you grow up in, because evolution built humans with flexible psychological settings that adjust to danger, safety, stress, trust, stability, and resource levels. This entire system is explained by something called life history theory. Life history theory describes how organisms, including humans, divide their energy between growing, surviving, finding mates, and raising children. Humans evolved two major strategies: a fast life strategy and a slow life strategy. These are not moral labels. They are adaptive responses that helped different people survive in different conditions. A fast life strategy develops when the environment is harsh, dangerous, unpredictable, or unstable. If life feels unsafe or chaotic, the brain uses ancient logic that says life might be short, so reproduce early, take risks, act fast, be impulsive, and grab opportunities while they are in front of you. This is not stupidity. It is a survival plan. Fast life strategy traits include earlier puberty, higher aggression, stronger threat reactions, short-term mating, impulsivity, risk-taking, and less long-term planning. These traits can look negative in a safe environment, but in a dangerous environment, they help you survive. A slow life strategy develops when the environment is safe, predictable, and stable. When life feels secure, the brain uses ancient logic that says life will probably be long, so plan ahead, delay rewards, invest in the future, form stable bonds, and put more effort into raising children. Slow life strategy traits include patience, self-control, future planning, delayed reproduction, long-term relationships, low aggression, and high investment in education and parenting. These traits can look ideal in a stable environment, but in a dangerous environment, they would actually be harmful. The key point is simple. Neither strategy is better. Each one is adaptive in a different environment. Fast strategies win in danger. Slow strategies win in safety. Life history theory explains why different people, families, and whole populations develop different average personalities. People adapt to what the environment teaches them to expect. Harsh or unpredictable childhoods push the brain toward fast strategies because the brain learns that stability cannot be trusted. Safe and consistent childhoods push the brain toward slow strategies because the brain learns that the future is real and worth investing in. This theory explains why poverty and danger tend to increase risk-taking, aggression, impulsivity, and short-term mating. It also explains why stable countries produce more long-term planners, more education investment, and more delayed reproduction. It explains why some populations are more future-oriented, why some are more impulsive, why some cultures focus on patience, and why others emphasize survival right now. These are not moral differences. They are environmental effects on deep evolutionary settings. Life history theory also explains individual personality differences. People who grew up with stress, chaos, or unpredictability often become faster strategy adults because their brain learned that the world is unreliable. People who grew up with safety and structure often become slower strategy adults because their brain learned that planning pays off. This has nothing to do with weakness or strength. It is adaptive survival code that helped your ancestors stay alive. Life history theory connects to many psychological systems. It influences aggression, fear responses, trust levels, jealousy intensity, cooperation, parenting styles, risk-taking, education motivation, mating strategies, and emotional regulation. It also connects to intelligence expression, because safe environments allow more long-term cognitive investment. Harsh environments force the brain to switch into live now mode. Every human mind is shaped by the type of environment it expects. Life history theory explains that your psychology is not random. It is an evolutionary response tuned to danger or safety. Fast strategies and slow strategies are both ancient adaptive solutions. Understanding which one your environment promotes helps you understand yourself and other people on a deeper level. Life shaped your strategy so you could survive.